Ever feel like you're just one viral video away from hitting it big on YouTube? What if I told you that the key to success isn't just creativity, but also leveraging the power of AI? In today's video, we're diving into a new niche that's taking the YouTube world by storm, creating monetizable content with the help of AI tools. Look at this channel. It has more than 1.5 million subscribers, and every video has millions of views. And what kinds of videos are they making? It's called beauty tips. This niche has a huge demand and low competition, so it's high time to start creating a channel in this niche. Now, what if you don't have any knowledge of this niche? Don't worry, I will use an AI tool to create this video, which can write the script on any topic and craft an engaging video with that script. You don't need to shoot the video, record the voiceover, or even edit the video. Just use Virbo AI, and you can do all of this here. Wondershare Virbo is an AI avatar video generator that converts text to video, photo to video, and video to video in minutes. Virbo aims to help creators and business owners scale content creation and save costs. With just a few clicks in Virbo, anyone can start video creation right away. Alright, let's start creating the video with Virbo. First of all, we need some video ideas. You can simply ask ChatGPT for ideas. I've already generated some ideas, and I want to make a video on the dangers of UV rays. Okay. Now install the Virbo AI on your system and launch it. The link is in the description. Once you launch the Virbo AI, your interface will look like this. Here, you will find a vast number of ultra-realistic avatars. At the top, you will find an option to create a video and some essential tools. First, we need this AI script tool. We will write our video script with this tool. After selecting the AI script tool, we have to enter a detailed prompt in this box, including the video topic. For example, I am typing, in the tone of a cosmetic surgeon, emphasize the importance of sun protection in the summer. After that, add the detailed instructions provided by ChatGPT. Okay, now hit the send button to generate the script. And here it is. The script is ready. Now you can directly create a video from here, or copy it. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can customize it. Okay, let's hit the create video button. And here it is. This is our video creation or editor page. This is the preview panel. At the bottom, you will find the script. On the left side, you will find all the settings. Alright, let's start editing the video. First of all, the avatar or presenter. As we are making a beauty tips video, we need an avatar that is a perfect fit for this niche. You will find a cast library of realistic avatars on the Avatar tab. You can sort them by category. I think this one will be perfect for my video. Now, there is a catch. The desk does not fit our video. Don't worry, we can fix it later. Before that, come to the background tab. Here, you will find a vast library of backgrounds. I will use a lifestyle background, and this one should be perfect for me. That's great. Next, we have the text option. Here, you will find various text templates, including titles and various social media handles. I will add a title. After adding the title, customize it as per your need. I will put the title behind the avatar. Next, I will add my social media handles as well. It will help to grow the social media. Once the text editing is done, come to the sticker tab. Here, you will find a vast number of stickers for various purposes. First, I will add a shape to cover the desk area. After adding the shape, cover the area needed. Now change the color according to the desk color from here. You can use the color picker tool too. Once one side is done, I will copy it and paste it onto the other side. Now it looks perfect. You can add other stickers or elements to make your video even better. For example, I am adding this laptop to the desk. Wow, I like it. Now the scene looks very real. Alright, here you will find another option called Import. Here, you can upload B-roll footage and use it in your video. I'll come back to this later. Now from the left side settings panel, you can change the background color, customize the video size, crop the background, add background music and subtitles, or change the video layout. At this moment, we don't need it. Let's move forward to the script or audio settings. If you want to use your recorded or pre-generated audio, you can do it from here. I will go with the Virbo AI voice generator. Before that, I will customize the script. I want to actually divide the scene to make it perfect. So I will keep all the scripts in a doc file and then split it to create as many scenes as possible. Now copy the first scene text and paste it into the Virbo script box. Once the script is ready, come to the voice actor setting. You can clone your voice and use it as the voiceover. This time, I will go with the Virbo voice actor. It has a vast library of natural-sounding voice actors. Listen to some of them and then choose the perfect one. Once the voice actor is ready, set the speed, pitch, and volume if needed. You can add pauses if needed. You can even translate the script into any other language. Alright, our first scene is ready. Now I will create the second scene. To do that, click on the plus icon from here. You will find various layouts and templates. You can use them. I think this layout will be perfect for the second scene. In this scene, I will use B-roll footage. And this is our second scene. Customize the avatar size and position. Next, I will add the same background I used in the first scene. Next, add the second scene script to the script box. Now let's see how we can add B-roll video clips. First of all, click on the import button from here. Now click here and upload the video clips you want to use in your video clip. I already downloaded some B-roll stock footage from the free stock media sites Pixabay and Pexel. Now I am uploading them. Once the files are uploaded, come to the preview panel, click on the frame, and click on the change button from here. Now select the required footage or image. You can adjust the size and positions. Next, make sure your voice actor is the same as in the first scene. Alright, our second scene is ready. Now, using the same method, create the third scene. Once the scene is ready, customize it as needed. And in the same way, create other scenes. Once your video is ready, click on the preview button.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Now, I know you've probably heard it 1,000 times, but trust me, sun protect.
Then make necessary changes if needed. Alright, I think my video is ready to publish. Now, to download the video, click on the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward through this part. And here it is. Our video is ready to download. Let's download the video and watch it together to see the quality.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Summer is here, and that means long days at the beach, outdoor adventures, and plenty of sunshine. But while you're out soaking up those rays, there's something super important you need to keep in mind: sun protection. Now, I know you've probably heard it 1,000 times, but trust me, sun protection is no joke. The sun might feel great on your skin, but those UV rays can cause some serious damage. We're talking about premature aging, sunburns, and even an increased risk of skin cancer. Scary, right? That's why using sunscreen is an absolute must. It's like your skin's personal bodyguard, blocking out harmful UV rays before they can do any damage. But here's the thing. It's not just about slapping on any old sunscreen. You need to choose the right one. Look for broad-spectrum sunscreens with an SPF of at least 30. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Let's dive a little deeper into what sun damage actually does to your skin. Did you know that just one blistering sunburn can double your chances of developing melanoma later in life?
I think it's a great tool for creating videos, and I love the functionality. If you are a content creator or want to start your content creation journey, you should try this tool. The link is in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about video creation with Virbo AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.